Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can hide your friend list. So you need to just follow me. Firstly, you be sure that you have log into your Facebook account, and then you have to just come with your cursor and go to your timeline. When you will reach on your timeline, you just need to go to your friends, right? From here you can see that here is an option of manage. You just need to click on manage, edit privacy. From editing privacy, you will find the option of friend list. Okay, who can see your friend list? Here is the option. From here you customize it according to your requirement, right? So my requirement is that I have to hide my friend list. So here I select only me. I will select only me, then I will just done it. So after I done it, and now my privacy my list is under privacy, and by this you can make your privacy regarding your friend list. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.